This is SLE number 10, odd answers. This first problem says, Fred bought 5 new baseball trading cards to add to his collection. So he added 5 more to his collection. The next day, his dog ate half his collection. Now there are only 27 cards left. Okay, so he added 5 more to his baseball card collection, but then his dog ate half of them, leaving only 27 cards left. Okay, so what I'll do is I'll multiply both sides by 2. I get 5 plus C equals 54. That's a 2. And then subtract 5 from both sides. So it looks like he has 49 baseball cards left. That silly puppy dog. Problem number 3 says, Joan had $220 to spend on 8 books. After buying them, she had $12. How much did each book cost? Okay, so you had 8 books called Books X, and she had $220 to spend on them, and then afterwards she only had $12 left. So 8 books, how much did each book cost? So she spent $220 on it. So these 8 books, let's see if I can do this a little better. These $8, she had $220 to solve to, and then she had only $12 left at the end. Okay, so let's subtract 12 from both sides. Those cancel out. So that gives me, what is that, 208. Divide each side by 8. Those cancel. X equals, 8 goes into 20 twice, leaving 4 left over. 8 goes into 48 6 times. So it looks like each of our books cost $26. Number 5. The sum of 3 consecutive even numbers. 3 consecutive even numbers. So you have X, even numbers. Remember, we have to add 2 to it. And then you have to add 4. Is 90. What is the smallest of the 3 numbers? Okay, so let's add the x's together. It gives me 3x. The 2 and the 4 add together to give me 6. Equals 90. Subtract 6 from both sides. So I get 3x is equal to 84. Divide each side by 3. So 3 goes into 8 twice, leaving 2 left over. So 28. 28 is our smallest number. That's what it was asking for. Obviously, this would be 30. This would be 34, but they only wanted the smallest. Number 7, Sarah bought a soft drink for $3 and a candy bar for she bought a soft drink for $3 and she bought 9 candy bars. She spent $21. So we already take into account that cost right there. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to subtract 3 from both sides. Those cancel, so I get 9x is equal to 18. Divide each side by 9. So it looks like the candy bars cost $2 each. Now number 9, we're just going to go ahead and solve this one. So they have 6a minus 10 equals 3a plus 17. Alright, so let's see. If I add 10 to both sides, those cancel. If I subtract 3a from both sides, those cancel. So it gives me 3a is equal to 27. Divide each side by 3. A is equal to 9. 11. 12 times b plus 2. And 8 times b plus 5. So let's distribute over. 12b plus 24 equals distribute over. Subtract 8b from both sides. So those are going to cancel. Subtract 24 from both sides. Notice I'm starting to combine these together. I'm just trying to show you a better or quicker way sometimes to go through this. Let's see. 40 subtract. That's going to give me 16. So divide each side by 4. So b is equal to 4. Because 4 goes into 16 4 times. 13. This is a clearing the denominator. So let's start thinking about a number we can multiply them all by. I think 4 goes in 8, so does 2, and so does 8. I'm going to multiply everything by 8. So 4 goes in 8 twice. That leaves me 2 times m, which is 2m. 2 goes in there 4 times, so it's 4 times n, which is 4m. Those cancel, it just leaves me 5. These are like terms. Add them together. Divide by 6. And the last one, number 15. Okay. I'm going to distribute 3 over here. Now, right here, I need to make sure I distribute negative 18 to both of those. Is that 54? Notice that sign and that sign. It changed. Okay? Combine like terms, so on the negative 7d plus 54. Add 7d to both sides. I think we can combine a few terms. Those are going to cancel. Add 24 to both sides. So it gives me 13d is equal to 78, it looks like. Divide each side by 13. So 13 goes into 78. Let's see. 6 times? There you go.